Hello everyone, welcome to day 6 of the 21-day mindfulness challenge. So let's start out with nice deep breaths into our belly. Breathing in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold and exhaling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold, and exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold, and exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And allow your breath to be natural and remain nice and deep, breathing into your belly. Our natural state of breathing is to breathe into our belly. And as we become conscious of our breath, it moves into this natural state of being deeper and more relaxed. And allow your body to gently relax into the chair or the place in which you're sitting, allowing the tension to melt away. And let's, on each breath in, breathe in energy into the body, and on the exhale, release any tightness and tension we're holding. So let's inhale energy into our feet and exhale any tightness and tension from the feet. And now inhale energy into the ankles and exhale any tension from the ankles. And inhale this energy into the calves, the shins, and exhale any tightness. Inhale energy into your knees and exhale any stress or tightness. Inhale this vibrant energy into the upper legs, the front, the back, and exhale, allowing all the tension to leave the leg. Inhale energy into the pelvic area, the glutes, the hips, and exhale any tightness or tension from the glutes, the hips, and the pelvic area. Now inhale energy into the low back and the lower abdomen, and exhale any tightness, any tension in the abdomen and the low back. Inhaling energy into the mid-abdomen, the diaphragm, and exhaling any tightness and tension from the abdomen and the diaphragm. Inhaling energy into the mid-back and exhaling any tightness from the mid-back. Inhaling energy into the chest, the lungs, the heart, the front of the shoulders, and exhaling any tightness and tension. Now inhaling energy into the upper back, the back of the shoulders, and exhaling any tightness and tension. Inhaling energy into the right shoulder and exhaling any stress or tension in the right shoulder. Now inhaling energy into the left shoulder and exhaling any tension from the left shoulder. And let's inhale energy into both shoulders and exhale any tension and stress from both shoulders. Now inhaling energy into the right arm and exhaling tightness and tension from the right arm. Inhaling energy into the right hand and exhaling tightness from the right hand. Inhaling energy into the left arm and exhaling any tension from the left arm. Now inhaling energy into the neck, the sides, the front, the back, and exhaling any tightness and tension from the neck. Inhaling energy into the back of the head, the scalp, the brain, the skull, and exhaling any tightness and tension from the head, the back of the head, the skull, and inhaling energy to the top of the head, the face, all the sense organs, and exhaling any tightness and tension from the face, the top of the head, just allowing the face to relax. And now take a moment and scan your entire body and check if there's anywhere that's still tight or tense and needs your attention in this moment. And if there is a place that still needs your attention, take all your awareness to that place and just be with that discomfort for a moment. Feel whatever it is you're feeling at this moment. And check if that part of the body needs something from you right now. Maybe it's more relaxation. Maybe it's love. Maybe it's energy. Allow it to have whatever it needs in this moment. And notice if there's a difference now that you gave it attention. If it is more relaxed. And today we're going to hold this thought that I am focused. And so far we've been focusing on our breath and on each area of the body, giving it that energy, that vibrant energy, and releasing any tension. And now we're going to focus on this thought that I am focused. I can focus my mind wherever I want to, whenever I want to. I am focused. So breathe this in as you hold this thought. I am focused. And as you start to come back, becoming more aware of your surroundings, more aware of what's in front of you, remember that mindfulness is being mindful and aware of what you want to be aware of, to be aware of what is present in front of you, and being fully present with what is in front of you. So all day you are focused, and as you choose to focus on what you want to, not just outside of yourself but also within, then this focus gives you the energy and the vibration that you want to hold. So at any point during the day, you can bring your attention and awareness back with the breath and with this thought that I am focused. And you can choose to focus on whatever you want when you want. This is your power. Thank you.